We are continuing classifications of elements. In that lesson, we are come to the point modern periodic law. Before that, we know what is an elements, types of elements, then Dobbe-Reynolds traits, Newland's octaves, Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's periodic law, merits of a Mendeleev's periodic law, demerits of a Mendeleev's periodic law. Now, next point in this lesson is modern periodic law, and this point is very important. Modern periodic law. Henry Moseley showed that atomic number of an element is most fundamental property, not atomic mass. According to Mendeleev's periodic law was modified into modern periodic law, and it can be stated as chemical and physical properties of an element are periodic function of their atomic numbers. Henry Moseley. In the Henry Moseley's modern periodic table, elements are arranged in order to their increasing atomic numbers. There are 7 horizontal rows called as periods. There are 7 horizontal rows called periods 1 to 7. There are 8 vertical columns called groups 1 to 18. The arrangement of periodic periods and groups resulting into the formation of boxes. Atomic numbers are serially indicated the upper part of their boxes. Each box corresponds to the place for one element. There are 2 series of elements placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. These are called lanthanide series and actinide series. There are 118 boxes in the modern periodic table, including 2 series, lanthanide and actinide. The elements in the modern periodic tables are divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. The groups 1 and 2 together with hydrogen form and S block elements. Group 13 to 18 form P block elements. Group 3 to 12 together form D block element. 2 series, lanthanide and actinide at the bottom of the periodic table together form F block elements. D block elements called as the transition elements. A zigzag is seen in the P block elements in periodic table. Metalloid elements lie along the border of the zigzag line. All the metals lie on the left side of the zigzag line, while all non-metals lie on the right hand side. I clear again this point. Modern periodic law. Henry Moseley showed that atomic number of an element is a fundamental property. Atomic number, I again repeat the word, atomic number is a fundamental property, not atomic mass. Before Henry Moseley, Mendeleev, Dobbe-Reynolds and Newlands show that atomic mass is a fundamental property, but Henry Moseley show that atomic number is a fundamental property, not atomic mass. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, Mendeleev's periodic law was modified into modern periodic law, and it can be stated as chemical and physical properties of a chemical elements or of periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Chemical and physical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. In the modern periodic table, elements are arranged in order to their increasing atomic numbers. There are 7 horizontal rows and 18 vertical columns. Rows are called as groups, while rows are called as periods, while vertical columns are called as groups. The arrangement of a period and groups in the modern periodic table form boxes. Atomic numbers are serially indicated in the boxes. Atomic numbers are arranged serially in the in these boxes. The upper part of these boxes, each box corresponds to the place for one element. There are two series, lanthanide series and actinide series, placed separately bottom of the periodic table. There are 118 boxes in the modern periodic table, including two series, lanthanide series and actinide series. Elements in the modern periodic table divided into four groups, four blocks: S block, P block, D block and A block. In modern periodic table, which is S block, which is D block and which is F block? Group 1 and 2, there are 7 horizontal rows called series, periods, and 18 vertical groups or columns called as groups. The 1 and 2, column 1 and 2 or group 1 and 2 form hydrogen and form S block element. Means in modern periodic, suppose this is a modern periodic table, there are 18 columns in the modern periodic table. Column number 1 and column number 2 together form S block element. The group 13 to 18, 1 and 2 S block, group number 13 to group 18 form P block elements. Means in column 13 to column number 18, elements which present in these columns are called P block elements, and group number 3 to 12 together form D block elements. Means 1 to 2 S block elements, 3 to 12 D block elements, 3 to 12 D block elements, and 13 to 18 called P block elements. There are two series, lanthanide series and actinide series, at the bottom of the periodic table. Together form F block elements. Means lanthanide series and actinide series which is present at the bottom of the periodic table form F block. Means what is the picture? In modern periodic table there are 18 columns, 1 and 2 form S block elements, 3 to 12 form P block, 3 to 12 form D block elements, 13 to 18 formed P block elements, and bottom two series, lanthanide series and actinide series formed F block elements. D block elements are also called as a transition elements. A zigzag is seen in the P block elements. P block elements means 13 to 18 group. The metalloid elements lie along the border of the zigzag line. All metals lie on the left side of the zigzag line, while all non-metals are present or lie on the right hand side. Means non-metals on right hand side and metals on left hand side of the zigzag line which is present in the P block elements. This is modern periodic law. Now next point is that modern periodic table and electronic configuration of the elements. The characteristics of the groups and periods in the modern periodic tables are because of electronic configuration of the elements. It is electronic configuration of the elements which decides group and periods in which it is to be placed. The neighboring elements within the period differ slightly their properties, while distance elements differ widely in their properties. Elements in the same group show similarity and gradation in their properties. Again, I clear this point. Characteristics of groups and periods. Which are groups? There are 7 groups and 18 groups and 7 periods. 7 periods means horizontal lines and 18 groups means vertical groups. That way, therefore, the characteristics of groups and periods in the modern periodic tables are because of electronic configuration of elements, which decides configuration of elements which configuration of an elements, groups and the periods in which they are lie or they are placed. Neighboring elements within the period differ slightly. Neighboring elements differ slightly in their properties while distinct elements differ widely. Neighboring elements differ slightly and distinct elements differ widely in their properties. Elements in the same group show similarity and gradation in their properties. Now, group and electronic configuration. The number of various electrons in all these elements from group first, that is from family of alkali metals, is same. Similarly, elements from any other group, number of their valence electron to be same. For example, the elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium belong group 2, that is family of alkaline earth metal. There are 2 electrons in their outermost shell and the number of valence electrons are 2. Similarly, there are 7 electrons in the outermost shell of elements as fluorine and chlorine from the group 17, that is a family of halogens. While going to the top to bottom with any group, 1 electronic shell gets added at a time. From this, electronic configuration of outermost shell is characteristics of a particular group. In the modern periodic table, elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers. Vertical columns called groups. There are 18 groups. Chemical properties of these elements in the same group show similarity and gradation. Again, I clear this point. Groups and electronic configuration. The numbers of valence electron in all these elements, number of valence electron in all these elements from the group first, that is from alkali metals, is same. Similarly, elements from any other group, the number of valence electron to their same. For example, the elements of beryllium, Be, magnesium, calcium belong to group 2, that is family of alkaline earth metal. There are 2 electrons. There are 2 electrons in their outermost shell. The number of valence electrons is 2. Similarly, there are 7 electrons in outermost shell of the such element as fluorine, chlorine from the group 70. While going to top to bottom in the modern periodic table, we see the similarity is that 1 electronic shell gets added at time. From this, configuration of outermost shell is the characteristics of a particular group. We clear that. Means from top to bottom, the first element at the top side and last element in that group, bottom side, have same similarity, similar properties and gradation. Elements arranged in increasing order in their atomic numbers. Vertical columns called as group, while horizontal columns called as periods. The chemical properties of elements in the group, suppose in first group, second group, third group, 18 columns are present. First column in first group show similarity and gradation in their elements. Okay, this is group and electronic configuration. Periods and electronic configuration. In modern periodic table, there are 7 horizontal rows called as periods. In period, there is a change in valency of element. There is a change in valency of elements varies with electronic configuration. The number of valence electron is different in different elements. However, number of shells is the same in the period while going to left to right. The atomic number increases by 1 at the time and the number of valence electron also increases by 1 at that time. In period, there is a gradation in properties of elements. The elements with the same number of shells occupied by electrons belong to the same period. The elements in the second period, namely lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, have electron in two shells, K and L shell. The elements in the third period, namely sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, etc., have electron in their three shells, K, L, M. There are some electrons in two shells, K shell, L shell, K, L, M, N. These are shells of electrons. Some are in two shells, K and L, and some are in K, L, M in shell. The chemical reactivity of an element is determined by valence of electron in their shells. Okay? Is it clear to you? Okay? Some concepts again which is not understand easily, which make confusion to the students, I again clear. In modern periodic table, periods and electronic configurations, I again to clear the confusion of the students, that is modern periodic table there are 7 horizontal rows and 18 vertical columns. The change in valency of elements varies with electronic configuration. As electronic configuration change, their valency is changed, their periods and the elements position is changed. The number of valence electron is different in these elements. However, number of shells is same. Number of shells is same, but electrons, valence electrons are different in the period. While going to left to right, from left side, we are going from left side to the right side of the modern periodic table, atomic number increases by 1 at a time, and the number of valence electron also increases by 1 at a time. Means as we go from left side to the right side, from group 1, column 1 to the column 18, we see what we see, atomic number is increases by 1 at a time. Number of valence electron also increases by 1 at that time in the modern periodic table. There is a gradation in the properties of element. The elements with the same number of shells occupied by electron belongs to the same period. The elements in second periods, namely lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, have K and L electronic shells. The elements in third periods, that is sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, chlorine, argon, have electronic shell 3 K, L, M. Means when we draw electronic configuration in K orbit, L orbit, K, L, M, these are orbits of electron showing electronic configuration. The periodic tens in the modern periodic table, when properties of an element in a period or a group of a modern periodic tables are compared, contain regularity is observed in their variations. It is called periodic trends in the modern periodic tables. Okay, is it clear?